Hey everybody, it's Everett back with you from Hood Time. Today we're going to be making a decorative sign to hang this from, or a signpost to hang this from. Going to be using 3/8 round bar, you know how I like using that. We'll make the post first, and then we'll make the decorative piece that goes on the back side of it. So if you like what I do, please remember, watch my other videos on here, and then subscribe and follow. Thanks a lot. So the next part I need to make is I need to make the decorative spiral from the back. You can see I started here and I'm working it around. I'll work it around, but I've got to wait until I get to here to start putting these pieces on, so I'm not, running into them and stuff. So we'll get started on that. Like I said, we're going to make it go right around, and we'll loop it. I'll add pieces to bend against as we go. So let's go ahead and keep doing that. So this is the finished signpost. You can see she wanted about 4 foot tall where it's gonna go in. The bottom piece there is a pound into the ground. I want an angle so it wouldn't turn on her, but I think it looks pretty cool. As always, I hope you like my videos. We'll talk to you later. Bye.